Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Hayatul Syamil Najwa binti Muhammad Shukri, battery number E23A2686. Today I will present my research title, Treatment of the Sungai Lembing Mining Area Using HL, a Natural Bisolvent. Introduction. Background of study. Sungai Lembing in Pahang has long mining history, causing soil pollution. The study used organic waste like compost, biochar, and HL to improve soil. HL contains calcium carbonate, helpful for reducing acidity and heavy metal. Problem statement. Heavy metal like lead, Pb, and cadmium CD are toxic and stay in the soil for a year. Chemical treatment are expensive and can cause another pollution. HL are cheap and eco-friendly, but they used in mining soil need more study. Objective. To test how effective HL are in reducing heavy metal in mining soil. Scope of study. Soil taken from Sungai Lembing mining area. Focus on lead, Pb, and cadmium CD. Use household chicken HL. Clean, dry, ground, and mix into the soil. Lab test done using AAS. This is a small lab study, not test in the field yet. Significance of study. Offer a cheap, eco-friendly way to treat soil. Support recycle of HL waste. Provide early data for future research or real-world use. Using for researchers and environmental decision makers. Study area. Soil was taken from Sungai Lembing, a former tin mining town in Pahang. There are still has lead, Pb, and cadmium CD pollution. Site were picked based on distance from mines, damaged soil, easy access. Tropical climate and hills land effect metal movement. Sungai Lembing is ideal for testing HL treatment. Literature review. Past studies support to use HL and removing heavy metal from soil. Chen et al. 2024. HL improves Pb, zinc, CD uptake in plant and boosted help soil microbe. Silva et al. 2021. Up to 83% of Pb removing using HL in electrokinetic treatment. Mikis et al. 2024. Rise pH and phosphorus in soil, good for small-scale farming. Wang et al. 2020. HL plus diatomite meets CAD and CD and Cu by over 65%. Popescu et al. At 2024. Increased pH and reduced metal risk in acidic soil. Lopez Diaz et al. 2024. Biosolization with HL reduced Pb, cadmium, and Cu level. Oxan et al. 2018. HL powder stabilized cadmium and Pb in acidic soil. Zhang et al. 2023. HL biochar reduced Hg and As and improved soil microbe. Ahmad et al. 2022. Chemical active HL used to treat soil with CD, Pb, and Hg. Methodology. This study tests how well HL reduces soil acidity and heavy metal in mining soil from Sungai Lembing. All tests were done in lab with 4 main steps. First, collection and preparation of material. Contaminated soil was collected from mining site. HL from a cake shop were washed, dry, and crushed into the powder. This powder was used to treat soil with CD, Pb, and Hg. Second, chemical treatment. Nitric acid was used to extract metal for testing. Tools include filter paper, beaker, pipette, mortar, pestle, AAS, atomic absorption spectrometer to measure metal level. Experimental procedure. Soil was mixed with 5% eggshell powder. Sample were left for 30 days at room temperature. After that, nitric acid was added and AAS was used to test remaining metal level. Data analysis will focus on identifying change in soil pH and the reduction of heavy metal concentration after the treatment. We calculate result as percentage reduction and compare them with the control sample which did not receive any treatment. Research flowchart. I started by identifying the problem, heavy metal contamination in mining soil. Then I reviewed past research to find knowledge gaps. Soil sample were collected from Sungai Lembing. At the same time, I prepared eggshell powder and analyzed the initial heavy metal level using AAS. The soil was treated with different amount of eggshell powder and incubated for 30 days. After incubate, heavy metal were extracted and analyzed again with using AAS. Finally, I compared the result before and after treatment of evaluate of effectiveness of eggshell. Next was Gantt chart and milestone. That was Gantt chart and milestone. This project was complete over 40 weeks with key activity as follows. Week 1 until 2, literature review and preparation of eggshell soil and chemical. Week 3 and 4, crush eggshell, prepare soil sample and started treatment. Week 5 until 8, 28 day incubate at room temperature. Week 9, extract sample using nitric acid. Week 10, analyze heavy metal using AAS. Week 12 until 30, report writing, data checking and review. Week 14, prepare presentation and submit final report. And then research budget. The total budget for this study was 475 ringgit, covering material, tools, transport, and printing. Budget breakdown. Eggshell 50 ringgit, collection and clean. Sample jar 30 ringgit for 10 unit, 3 ringgit each. Filter plate 60 ringgit, chemical 250 ringgit, DTPA and nitric acid. Safety gear 25 ringgit, transport 120 ringgit, 340 trips for 40 ringgit each, and printing 40 ringgit. That was different from my research. That's all for me. Thank you.